Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Previous lesson we started setting up our Fluent API. Now we're going to start filling up our classes, validation classes. Let's start with the about add validation. Control RG, public, and abstract validator, I guess the name, and about add remodel. I'm going to choose. And if I remember correctly, we're going to generate a constructor and we're going to get in with the rule for. Perfect. Yeah, rule for. Let me have a look. Rule for. We're going. Is it working like that? But are we model? No, not like that. We're going to use link you guys. Yeah. Alright, before start our rule for methods, I would like to open my view model, about our view model, and I'm gonna make it divide. I would like to divide my sequence, and I need to see my view models. What do we have in our core layer? Let me have a look quickly. So we have ID. We're not gonna touch that. We're not gonna touch that. We're not gonna touch that as well. Create update. No, we don't gonna, because we not manually type in these properties, so we're not gonna touch them. Let's close base entity, and now start with the header. And also we need to open, where is the, actually not that one, let's keep it. And also we need our configurations, because we add some restrictions while we doing our migration. Where is the restriction, our, where is the our configuration, web application, about config. Yeah, perfect. Let's add this here. Okay, let's start with the create date, update row version, header. Let's start with the header. So it's required, so I'm going to add here not empty, and not null, and there is a max length 200, so maximum length must be 200. Okay, now I'm going to add my messages, but before that one I'm gonna show the default one, then I'm going to tell you how I'm going to change and override our messages. Okay, perfect. Let's continue with the rule for. Oops, why I'm pressing C. It doesn't matter actually, but I get used to use X all the time. Description, so it's required again, going to be not null and not empty, and there is a maximum length is 5,000. Let's add here 5,000. Rule for description clients, max length 5. Okay, alright, let me have a look quickly. Update header, description, property clients, projects, house of supports, hard workers. Is that about properties? Let me have a look quickly. Yeah, clients project, perfect, no problem. Okay, let's continue. X dot clients. So this is integer, right? Let me have a look. So it anyway, they cannot be not an empty, but just in case we add not null, and also must, what should we do? We can use greater than 0. Yeah, it must be greater than 0, but let me have a look. It's integer, so it's a, I don't want the people put a number like 1 million, 2 million or something. So, and I'm going to add a less than 1000. Is that too much for having a client one? No, it's all right. Let's keep it like that. Let's add a rule for, by the way, if it's not working greater than less than 0 and 1000, I'm gonna add must. I'm gonna use the must method. Let's try that one first, and if it's not working, we can switch it. Rule 4. I'm gonna copy the client for the other one. So we have projects, house of sports, projects, house of sports, hard workers, and it must be maximum 99 for this company, and house of sport can be about this much, and projects can be, so we have one client but we can make 5 projects for one client, so make it 5000, make it 10,000. All right, perfect. Okay, so we have a photo. Rule 4. If you add in an about section, you have to add a photo. So I'm just gonna add it, not null, not empty, and not null. All right, it's going to be enough for photo. So if you remember, we added social media validation here. I'm not gonna use that social media validation because I'm gonna use it about vModel inside about vModel. So I'm gonna try to use select those property true to about social media. Yep, dot what we have here, Twitter. Okay, let's have a look now. Social media configuration. So I think there is nothing special with the Twitter, Instagram, and the other ones. Yeah, we don't have, so we don't need it. They must be null or empty, and you can use a maximum character. So there is no rule those of for them. So I'm gonna delete it. We're not gonna add any rule for them, and also I'm gonna delete social media validation because we won't need it. All right, okay. So we finished our validation here. Let's close that one. Let's keep it for a while. Okay, perfect. Let's have a look how many minutes have been done. It's 9 minutes. Let's start category validation. Control RG, public, sorry, inheritance, abstract, validator, category, add validation. No, not validation, category, add vModel. Perfect. But before that, so I just forgot, we need to finish update first for about section. Public, abstract, validator, about, update, remodel. Yeah, let's create a constructor now. Oops. What's happening, mate? Yeah, constructor validation. Perfect. Now we're going to add our rule for. Let's copy from our add section to the update section. The only difference is going to be header description client, and the rest of them is going to be same, but the only difference is the rule for does not have to be something, so we can use the existing picture, so it can be null or empty. I'm gonna delete it now. All right, it's done. Let's go with the category now. Let's add the constructor. With constructor, and let's bring the category. Close that one, close that one, close that one. All right. Rule 4. It's the name not empty, and not null. And let's bring the configuration. I'm looking now. The maximum length is 50 and it's required. Maximum length is 50. It's required anyway. Alright, that's all for the category validation. I'm gonna add it for the update one. Where is the update? Category update. Category update validation. Control RG. Make it public. Abstract. Validator. Category update. Where is update? Remodel. Yeah, here we go. Perfect. Let's add the constructor. All done. This is the final touch. Alright, category is done. Let's continue with the contact. Control RG. Public. Abstract. No. Abstract. Validator. Contact. Add remodel. Create the constructor. Let's copy this section. Between contract, right? I need this section. So what we have here, create update origin location email call map. Okay. Location. Maximum length is going to be 200. And email. Maximum length is 100. And call maximum and is 17. All of them is required, and I'm going not empty null, and yeah, for all of my properties 17. And map, there is no maximum length, it's just gonna be not null and empty. That's all. Control KD, but it's moving to the front. Let's fix those. Okay, alright, perfect. All done. Let's copy those for the update. Is there another thing? Is any difference with the add and update? No. Just copy and paste. contact, control RG, public, inheritance from abstract validator, contact, update view model, create the constructor, and this is the final touch. Perfect. Let's close all of them. Now home page. Control RG, public, abstract validator. The name is home page. Where is the add? Perfect. Let's add the constructor. Bring the home page configuration, create update origin, header, description, video link. Yeah. Let's add this, all of them. Now we have headers, we have description, and we have video link. So have a look quickly. Header required and 200. Yes. So required and 2000. Video link just required. There is no max length. And delete it. Perfect. Let's copy all of them for the update method. Control RG, public. Normally you can use same types for the same validations class for the add and update, but sometimes, as you can see, I show you we have a kind of difference add and update because of the photo. So I'm just gonna keep them different. If I need something an extra in the future, I have my classes in my hand and I don't need to change my controller again and again. So just you writing a little bit more code, but let's keep it separate and in a different place, so it will be perfect for the future. Always think about the future. Abstract validator, home page update, view model, quit the constructor. Here we go. Perfect. Let's save it. Now portfolio. Let's bring the portfolio here. Oops, it's perfect. Now public. Abstract validator, portfolio, add view model. Why it's not working? Yep, constructor is ready. Now what we have here, let me have a look. Read up the row title, file name type. Don't we have file name and type about? I just realized that. Let me have a look about quickly. Where is about? It's interesting. We have an about section here. Let's have a look quickly about that. Yeah, we have file name and type. So we didn't add any configuration. Just right here required, but we didn't add these requirements to the, no, not that one, sorry. Alright, let me have a look configuration quickly. This is about description of workers. So we can add our file name and type. We have pictures, about, homepage. So we don't have any file name and type, right? Do we have picture in homepage? Let's have a look quickly. No, we don't have. Sorry. Okay. Portfolio, we have portfolio, so we already add our file name and type. Service, so we have photo in team, so we added file name and type. Alright, I'm gonna add those file name and type to the above section as well. And we're going to use migration again to make those not nullable. No problem. We can do it after we finish our validations. Perfect. Let's go back now. So we're doing now about config, not that one. Add portfolio. Alright, we are doing portfolio now. Don't forget, guys, we're going to add our file name and type for both validation and the configuration of our entities. Okie dokie. So create update row title. We have a title here. Maximum length is 200. Perfect. File name, file type. There is no maximum. Just they cannot be empty. Perfect. Alright, let's make for the. Is there anything else? Title or version? Perfect. Yeah. Alright. Let's where is the other update? Perfect. Update validation. Yeah, perfect. Control RG public. Sorry. Abstract validator portfolio update model. Structure is done. Oops, wrong place. Yeah, that's the correct one. Okay. Update is done. File name type. But the thing is, we have photos. I'm gonna copy from here. Where is the photo about at? Yeah, we need to add photo to our portfolio add validation because we need to add photo. It's perfect. It's not an empty, but update version can be empty. Alright, okie dokie. It's done. Let's continue with the service. Let's have a look service configuration. And also let's have a quick look at the service admin model. Alright, just 3 property here. Control RG public inheritance from abstract validator, and we're doing service admin model. We have your name, description, and icon. I'm gonna delete it. It's not gonna work for me. I'm gonna copy from contact is better. Yep. So I need a name. I need a description, and I need a icon. The last one is unnecessary. Let's delete it. Alright. Name required and 200. Description required and 2000. Icon required and 100. Perfect. All done. Let's copy to update site. Public abstract validator service update. Update view model. Yeah, perfect. add the construction now and copy paste. Hold on. We did service validation. Let's go to the team now. Control RG, public, team validation, abstract validator, team validation, no, team add view model. Now, oops. Constructor is done. Team add validation. Sorry guys. Let me plug my computer in. Hold on a second. All good, yeah, perfect. Now we're doing team add validation. Let's open team configuration now. This lesson has become really long. It's 26 minutes. Let's finish our configuration and finish this lesson. So we have full name, title, and photos again. So I'm gonna copy from team add validation. We're going team. Let's copy from portfolio. Yep. Title, file name, file type. We have extra full name. Let's make a full name. Full name is 100. Title is 100. File name and type have to be. And this is we have a photo. And I'm gonna copy those 4 of them. I'm gonna leave the photo. As you know, it's not gonna be necessary for the update. It's alright. Abstract validator team update remodel. Let's create the constructor. Now let's get in. Perfect. Very nice. It's done. Name and type. Let's go to testimonials version. This is the configuration. Control RG, public, abstract, validator. The name of the class is team, no, testimonial admin model. Constructor, it's done. Let's get in. We need for testimonial full name, title, comment, file name. Okay, everything is same. Just need an extra command. Perfect. Full name, title, comment. And also we need a photo because this is at validation site. Photo. Alright. So let's have a look to maximum length 100, 100, 2000, 100, 100, 2000. Perfect. Rest of them is same. Let's copy those site. Update validation. Control RG. Public. Abstract. Validator. Testimonial. Update view model. Alright, perfect. And now it's done. Did we? Yeah, we done. Perfect. Alright guys, we finished our configuration of all properties. Now the next one is going to or write the messages. I'm gonna create a static message file and I'm going to add all messages here, and I'm going to bring our static method here. That's how I'm going to use my system, and it's going to be easy reachable our messages. Let's finish this lesson here and let's continue with another one. Take care of yourself, guys. Bye bye.